Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NVIDIA GeForce Now on your browser, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate NVIDIA GeForce Now on your browser, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL geforce.now.com. Press enter to navigate to the GeForce Now website. You will see a bright green Play Now button on the home page. Click on the Play Now button. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to do so. Enter your NVIDIA account credentials and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Follow the instructions to set up your NVIDIA account. Once you are signed in, you will be redirected to the GeForce Now dashboard. On the dashboard, explore the available games under the Library section. To add a game, click on the Library tab. Select Add Games to browse through platforms like Steam or Epic Games Store. Choose a game you want to play and click Add. After adding, return to the dashboard and click on the game icon. The platform will check the status of the game and prepare it for streaming. Once ready, click on the play button to launch the game. Your game will start streaming directly in your browser. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Adjust your settings as needed for optimal performance during gameplay. Now you are ready to enjoy gaming with NVIDIA GeForce Now on your browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.